Costeira. Quero ser barca relinga que reteña o teu sorriso, quilla coa que navegar, meu amor, e non a espera, quero ser o fluido ronsel dos teus debezos, o constante elixir dos teus aloucos, o destino das folerpas, que a soidade ceiba no leito que compartes pero que non me acolle. Quero ser o mar que te respira, a mazá que non comes e que extrañas, a saudade mesmo que te abraza. Morrería por te ver namorado cada novo amencer, por ser o peixe que escolles e acaricias, o xeo que fonde a túa calor, a coberta de espellos que te mira. Morrería por ti, amor.
Qué maravilla.
I am not going to sing, I'll just read. Fishing season. I want to be the boat, the cork line which retains your smile, the keel with which you sail, my love, and not the waiting. I want to be the fluid wake of your craving, the constant elixir of your sights, the destination of the snowflakes that solitude sets free within the bed you share but which does not receive me. I want to be the sea that breathes you, the apple you do not eat, and miss the very longing that embraces you. I would die to see you beloved with each new dawn, to be the fish that you choose and caress, the eyes that melts your warmth, the deck of mirrors that gazes upon you. I would die for you, my love.
Thank you.
Now, Alex Lima is going to call